Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 10 build and signing in as an administrator because permission prevents many repairs. Once done, disable any third-party antivirus temporarily so services won't clash. This avoids false negatives. Now open Settings, go to Update and Security, and click Windows Security to reach Defender panels. Make sure Windows Update is current. Pending updates can mask issues. This gets you immediately into the right tools, so you can run targeted fixes without delay. You'll now perform the central repairs that usually fix Defender. First, run the Windows Security Troubleshooter, and then perform a Microsoft Defender offline scan to remove deep threats. Next, open Services. MSC. Set Windows Defender Antivirus Service and Defender Firewall to automatic and start them if stopped, because stopped services prevent protection. Finally, open PowerShell as admin and run the reset commands to re-register Defender components. This restores core files and policies. These steps repair service-level and component-level problems. You finish by re-enabling Windows Update and any trusted third-party antivirus. Then verify Windows security reports protected so you know defenses are active. Next, run a full Defender scan and confirm real-time protection is enabled to validate repair. If anything still fails, check Event Viewer under Applications and Services logs for Microsoft Windows Defender events. Note event ID and error text. That troubleshooting tip helps you escalate with exact diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.